So let's assume that you want to actually launch a token and bring it into the index. I'm going to walk you through how you can do that. Here you'll see the current Filmmaker tokens that are bonded to Indikin in the index. And these are representative of some of the filmmakers that are with us that have actually their own tokens and have, again, bonded. Let's go over and have a look at what that looks practically on Dex Screener. So here you can see Indikin is obviously in its current state, it's on Pulse Chain and it's bonded to the native token Pulse PLS. PLSX is the rewards token, so any trading volume that happens across any of the index kicks out PLSX as a reward token at 1% to holders of Indikin. Here you can see the Gillespie token is pegged in it with Indikin, Barna, Lola, Scoot, and a bunch of others. But essentially, if you have a token on Pulse Chain, what you want to do is basically visit PulseX, which is the Pulse Chain native DEX. And here you can start to see that if you do have a browser wallet, you can connect it in. You go up to the left here where it says a liquidity. So let's take G'day, for example. We'll go and grab the contract from Dex Screener here. We'll come back and we would add, that's Gillespie's Filmmaker token into PulseX. And here you can see I can start to make a bond. This is how you basically bond into the index with your Filmmaker token. Say we want to use however much it is, but you're trying, if it's the first liquidity pair for this type, which obviously it would be, you want to make sure that these numbers land as close as possible. This dollar value needs to be as close as possible. Enable both of those tokens to be used on the DEX through whatever browser wallet you're using. And once you've performed all the necessary transactions, your liquidity pool will show up here, at which point your pool will be found in here and you will be bonded into the Indikin Filmmaker token index. Again, not obligatory, but some people are curious and interested to join the index on that level. And the reason for bonding in the Filmmaker token, of course, is to show a commitment to the index, which is a reward mechanism or a revenue mechanism for capturing value inside the film production fund. If you want to understand more about the details of that, you can go to the light paper that's available just at the bottom of the website down here. And of course, this is not investment advice. The index does take a little bit of understanding to go around, but it is a core component of the Indikin ecosystem, along with our creatives and our distribution arm at Indiflix. Any questions, you can always hit us up at info@indikin.com. Thank you for listening.